Welcome to SrcCodes.com. In this series, we are discussing terms and phrases that are becoming popular due to increasing number of organizations moving towards agile transformations. Today, we're going to talk about product backlog. Product backlog is one of the three Scrum artifacts. It is the single source of truth for the entire Scrum team. It is an ordered list of ideas, capabilities, and features that would help the team realize the product goal. Scrum Guide 2020 says, the product backlog is an emergent ordered list of what is needed to improve the product. It is the single source of work undertaken by the Scrum team. Product owner owns the accountability for the product backlog as well as the product goal that it contains. The product owner takes into consideration non-functional requirements, dependencies, even compliances that might have an impact on the feature being developed. The general idea is that the most refined and detailed items are at the top of the backlog. They have enough detail so that the developers can easily pull them into sprint. At times, they should already have been seen and refined and as well as sized by the developers. While at the bottom of the backlog, we have chunkier items, could be big blocks, ideas, strategies, future enhancements, and they lack the finer details and need a lot of work or transition before they move to the top of the backlog. The product goal describes a future state of the product which can serve as a target for the Scrum team to plan against. So basically, the product goal acts as a long-term objective for the Scrum team so that they are driven by it towards the same goal. Here are a few things that we should know about product backlog. So here, a product backlog item, or in short PBI, should express clearly an idea and the business value that would accrue to the user. It should have just enough detail to inspire a discussion or a deeper dive by the entire team. It is a living artifact. By a living artifact, we mean that it's constantly being refined, details are being added, it could be broken down, sized, and it is an ongoing process till it reaches a state which is what we say definition of ready and can be worked upon. So it's not something that is static, it's constantly going through change and refinement. Product backlog makes work transparent. If anybody is interested in knowing what the team is focusing on, they are looking at their product backlog is an excellent place to start. Features and functionalities are usually highlighted, but it is important to know that it could contain fixes, enhancement, non-functional requirements, architectural design, anything that is needed to help the product meet the product goal. We could say a product backlog is not a specific, exhaustive, or a uniformly sized items, like it's not comprised of items that are of the same size. So usually the smaller items are at the top and the bottom of the backlog could contain big blocks of work that are still waiting to be refined and broken down. Being a product owner, I could talk about product backlog for hours, but I don't think it would be a great use of your or my time. So if you really want to know more about product backlog, refer to the Scrum Guide. There are other blogs, and in fact, all the things that I referred to will be available for you to access on our blog. So that's it, and I'll see you on the next video.